जय हिंद एवरीवन। आज डेट है 17 मार्च 2026 और आज DCAC में 36 एनुअल NCC फेस्ट है, उसको हम कवर करने जा रहे हैं जर्नी विद रूट्स पे एंड NCC कैडेट्स ऑफ इंडिया। ये है हमारे साथ कपिल शर्मा, ये नमन और ये आदित्य। और आप पूरे दिन की एक्टिविटीज़ आज में देखेंगे NCC के बच्चे क्या क्या करते हैं, पूरे सालों ने क्या क्या अचीवमेंट किए हैं। Everything we will covering on Journey with Roots and NCC Cadets of India.
Today is the 36th Shaurya Fest and यहाँ पर हमने रिसेप्शन रखा हुआ है जहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेंट्स आके अपनी प्रेजेंस को मार्क करा रहे हैं। एंड फ्रॉम हियर वी बिगिन। ये शौर्या 2026। This is our way to our NCC room. Here cadets are waiting. They are checking their turnout, their uniform, how well they have donned the uniform. And let me take you to our NCC room. Here we have Cadet Vishal Lakra.
Yes, sir.
This is our NCC room. Yano sir is instructing the candidates. And you can see here, cadets are practicing their drill, their guard of honor, and their senior is trying to correct them. Amazing. And here we have Jay Rohan.
So Shaurya, as we can see that you have to handle responsibility at every this thing. So true leadership is about taking initiative and taking responsibility. That's why we are here. That's why Ravi said our team is dedicated. So I'm wearing this uniform right now. I hope I don't have to wear this one more. The main aim is 2 stars now. So yeah,
Yes,
thank you.
yes. And we are making sure that our fest goes pretty well.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. So Cadet Deepak is going to take us to the ground area where best cadet competition, where drill competition and guard competition is going to take place. So Mr. Deepak.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Shaurya 2026. It's the 36th fest of DCAC NCC, a college that has made legacy, that has made a legacy of officers, a legacy of brave hearts, and a legacy.
Okay, let's
of
now
great
go to
people. Let's go to
ground
the
area. You can see that participants are doing their poster making competition, and we have one of our SWs who's looking after the competition. And everyone, so our cadet Deepak Pathak is going to explain about all the events which are going to take place in our ground area. Yes, Deepak.
Jain everyone. Today we, the College of DCAC, is going to conduct NCC's 36th fest, that is Shaurya. So sports, as you know, builds up comradeship, friendship and a good teamwork. So today we're gonna have a volleyball match out here. It's going to begin soon. And there, as you can find, some cadets are practicing for squad drills, some for the guard and some for the best cadet. We have our PIs here. They're gonna be standing here soon and judging entire thing. Thank you.
Stop promoting their product. Try to make you understand the borders, the tension that they're not just about military alliances, but also about the economic, what they're offering us at a cost, but now people are also moving forward with boycotting all these things. And here I'd like to rest my case with just a thought that it's us who need to move forward. It's not just about worrying about how much we can get in certain amount, but also about we need to worry about our country. Thank you.
चल रही हाँ
श्रीमान 7 एवं 3 दिल्ली बटालियन DCSC कॉलेज 2 सेकंड गार्ड शुरू करने की आज्ञा चलो। जय श्रीमान गार्ड विश्राम गार्ड सावधान Guards! Visram! Guards! Saavdhan! Guards! Salami Dagab! Salami Shast! Guards! Vajoshan! जय श्रीमान 7 एवं 3 दिल्ली बटालियन DCSC कॉलेज 2 सेकंड गार्ड आपके निरीक्षक रहे हजरत। Guards! Rashtra salute! Salami Shast!
राष्ट्रीय गान शुरू कर।
कब जय का Alright, so all the cadets for the best cadet competition are set to participate in the event. So the question is, who will take the beat and will prove to be the domination of this event? Here our PI staff is explaining the rules and regulations for the event. Rules and regulations are very important for this event, as this is very crucial to any NCC fest.
जो एक तरीका है ड्रिल का, बिल्कुल बहुत तरीके से चलना, सामने देखना, साइड टर्निंग, हर एक चीज़ के नंबर है, ठीक है। कोई 4 भाग बांट रहे थे, आपका टर्नआउट कैसा है, आपकी ड्रिल कैसी है, आपका वर्ड ऑफ कमांड कैसा है, और आप बाकी रिटर्न तो उधर के, तो समझ गए। जैसी तुम्हारी होगा वैसा ही आपको मिलेगा। इसको आप एक जैसे कंप्यूटराइज जनरेट स्लिप समझना कि जो नंबर दिया वो सही है, समझ गए, जो सही लगेगा वही होगा। ओके, पहले SW का, बाकी पीछे जो पहले SW का।
Alright, sir has asked to. So the competition for SWs is going to be first. So she's the first cadet for this best cadet competition. Look at the charm on her face. The eagerness to win this competition.
मेरे लिए वर्ड ऑफ कमांड, समीक्षा क्रमबद्ध, मत से तेज चल, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 1 2 2 3 1 2 3 1 जय श्रीमान DL24 SWIA 14,899 कॉर्पोरल पूजा चंद्रवाल आपका है समक्ष DST कार्रवाई के लिए हजरा 2 3 1 2 3 1 जय श्रीमान 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3
Here you can see the tug over competition has also started. This is one of the very hard sport. It requires very much hard work and strength. Endurance is the key to this sport, tug of war. Hold your breath. The round is going to be started in just a few seconds. And it started. All right, the team on the left has won. All right, guys, the most famous event of the NCC Fest, volleyball, has started. Here is our fellow cadet and buddy. Look at the technique they are implying. Let's see who will win the match. Amazing.
भाई पीछे खड़ा कर दे किसी को।
The match is in a great moment. It is an intense moment. No one knows who will win. The one who will work hard, who will be true towards the sport, will take the shot. This is the beauty of sport. And in NCC, the beauty becomes more enhanced. And there, another match of tug of war has started. Oh my god, look at the pull. The team in the left, the team in the black. They played total domination in this round. Very nice one from this. There is the volleyball match. There are SW cadets for the best cadet competition. Here cadets are warming their hands so they can make out in perfect drill. This match is still going on. You can see how rigorous it is. Cadets in this round are denying to be failed. They are giving their best. Well tried, buddy. I don't think that winning this match would be easy for either of the team. the squad drill competition, guys. The coordination is brilliant. Here is our respected PI staff who are judging the event. The rest of the cadets are waiting for their turn. Brilliant from their side. Absolutely brilliant. Jai Hind everyone. So today we are here at DCAC college ground, and here you can see that students that participated in the DCAC NCC Fest are working really hard to win the volleyball competition. Here you can see the dedication towards the sport. हाँ सर बोलना चाहिए सर.
उसके बाद ना बोलना में ये मैच हो रहा है किस किस टीम.
So here you can see that separate tents are being organized for separate events in the NCC Fest. Let's look at them closer. This is for the tug of war. The rope has been set. Now the question is, which team will win? This is the tent for tug of war. Here you can see our cadets are working really hard. There are the participants. Cadets are eager to win the competition they are participated in. This tent is for the best cadet competition. Here are PS staff are also seated here.
जो बेस्ट कैडेट है इधर आ जाओ सामने, बाकी साइड हो जाओ ग्राउंड से.
Now in few minutes best cadet competition is going to be start. It's going to be an amazing event. Now here you can see the SD cadets are waiting to perform at their best cadet event, and yes, it started.
दाहिने चलेगा, दाहिने मत. 1 2 3 4 दाहिने भाई, ये 4 दिखाओ. मार्किंग. Yes up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 कट खले. 1 2 3 शूट. 1 2 3 4 कट खाली.
3 4 5 डाउन 1 2 3 4 बैक टॉप आगे बढ़िया पहम 1 2 3 4 बैक खुली लॉन्च अठरो बैक टॉप निकट लॉन्च अठरो
The best cadet competition is actually a very hard event as you have to perform the full DST in front of the PI staff, and not only this, you have to pass a written test to be selected for the DST. That's why we call him a best cadet. The word means a lot. Best cadet. Alright, his DST is complete. The cadets there are practicing for their turn. Look at their practice. Look at their dedication. This is NCC. Discipline, dedication is core to this organization. What a beautiful festival is going on. It's our annual NCC Fest. It is once in a year, but it's best in a year. Another volleyball match has started.
बढ़िया बॉल
Many people think that volleyball means height, tall height. But in my opinion, volleyball is a game of technique. Technique is everything in volleyball. You have to be great at it. Look at the technique cadets are playing with. It's not easy. Here's again a fellow cadet. That was a nice one. Truly nice one. Yeah. They got the score. Just look at their hand swings. It tells the coordination is great between them.
और दिल्ली उड़ाले दिल्ली कंडी जे सामने देख जय सरकार और दिल्ली बटालियन जे बेट मिला देख कर जेट आपके लक्ष्य के हाजिर जय सरकार
PI staff. He's observing the cadets standing in the formation. Looks like he has made his decision.
जय श्रीमान दिनात में धैर्य तलकब धैर्य दिनात में आगे बढ़कर पहल दिनात में बाहर तलकब पहल
They're performing the 6 turnings right now, and that very smoothly, truly smoothly.
जय श्रीमान और दिल्ली बटालियन सिविल टेक्नोलॉजिकल जेट को ब्रेक कूच करने की आज्ञा। जय श्रीमान
How great the formation is looking. Truly incredible. And it's done. Beautifully done. Here we have another match of tug of war. This is the Gargi College on the left.
Ready, Gargi, ready?
Let's see whose endurance is better.
Ready?
And it started. They're pulling really hard. The team on the right won the round. And another round has started. They're pulling really hard, and they won this round. They won the match too, because they won 2 of the round. Nice effort from this team also. The team on the left just chanted for their victory. But let's see who will win the match.
Ready?
And it started. The team on the right is pulling hard, but they are also holding great. And the team on the right got it. Now they're changing the sides. The team on the left will play now from the right side. And another round has started. The team on the left is again pulling very hard. And they won the match. Great game by them. Look at the happiness on their face.
3 दिल्ली बटालियन DCSC कॉलेज 2 सिक्योरिटी गार्ड शुरू कराने की अज्ञात चुनाव। जय श्रीमान। गार्ड विश्राम। गार्ड सावधान। गार्ड विश्राम। गार्ड सावधान। गार्ड सलामी निकाब। सलामी शस्त्र। गार्ड पंचो शस्त्र। जय श्रीमान। श्रीमान 7 एवं 3 दिल्ली बटालियन DCSC कॉलेज 2 सिक्योरिटी गार्ड निरीक्षक के लिए हाजिर है। जय श्रीमान। श्रीमान 7 एवं 3 दिल्ली बटालियन DCSC कॉलेज 2 सिक्योरिटी गार्ड सूचना कराने की अज्ञात चुनाव। जय श्रीमान। गार्ड बंगाल शस्त्र। संतरी खड़ा है पक्की गार्ड विसर्जन।
फोटो के लिए
that you belong to the country, you belong to this nation, you belong to this college, and that has to be reflected by your unity among your peer groups and the discipline which you try to imbibe that is going to make our country great. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
To your body fosters a strong sense of comradeship among cadets, promoting mutual support, cooperation and respect.
Today, as we begin this celebration of dedication and patriotism, let us remember that a nation becomes strong when its youth stands united and disciplined. So get ready to strength of discipline and one unwavering love for our nation by the LW Cadets of 3 Delhi Battalion.
So first and foremost, respected principal in absentia, ANO sir, ma'am, all the PI, Colonel Maan, Major Deepak, and dear cadets. It's very nice opportunity for me to visit this institution for the first time on a day when the institution is having its own fest, NCC Fest, and all of you from various institutions have come here, and I have been told, please don't talk, Savan baithe. I'll just take 5 minutes. You should not move. So, you all have come from various institutions to compete, show your josh, show your energy, and finally show what NCC stands for. No matter लोग कितनी भी आपकी तारीफ करें, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें बोलें, अगर आपने अपने एक्शंस में उसको नहीं दिखाया, so it is waste. But at the same time, I keep seeing you all performing at various places, in your camps, in your institutions, at various days of national importance, and I appreciate the kind of devotion, the kind of energy, the kind of effort you put in. As on date, no event, whether it is your institution or otherwise, is complete without NCC cadets. Either they will be involved in some or the other activity, because you have been showing that you are very disciplined. People are impressed by your performances. That's why you have given that stage. Otherwise also, you are performing in various social service, community development activities. You are doing your bit. You are going an extra mile as compared to other students of your colleges in contributing towards the society and the country. It's really appreciable. And finally, when all this thing is done, after the end of 3 years, you should be able to secure a place for yourself somewhere. Some of you are able to get selected in armed forces, some get selected in other services also. But what about the others? They have also put in equal amount of hard work. So my message is, firstly, use this NCC platform to hone your skills, to hone the skills of leadership, your personality development, and the other attributes what NCC teaches you, something like what I told you, your unity, discipline, and all that. So that when it comes to helping your other mates, your buddies, they are also pulled up. And they are also able to make a mark and use this training which has been given to you in NCC and get an edge over other students who come and compete with you and get selected. You have to understand, all your ANOs, the PI staff, we all are working very hard to impart the training what you get. I always say, you may be doing few camps in 3 years, but all this PI staff and the ANOs are doing multiple camps every year. आप एक कैंप करते हो एक साल में, ये कम से कम 8-10 कैंप करते हैं एक साल में. It is just for you. So ये आपके गुरुदेव हैं, इनकी बातें सुनो, learn from them whatever you can get from them, and it will come handy in your life. In the end, I like to thank the principal and the college administration for all the support and the way they are grooming you all, and not only this college, all the colleges from where you all have come, because without them this NCC framework cannot function. And this NCC framework is so strong that it is producing officers every year. Officers not only in armed forces, at various levels, various services. So use this platform. Thank all your college administration, thank all your ANOs, PI, and learn from them. होगा ये? Yes, sir. Sure? Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.